This particular example is a fixed support with a point load. We are going to look and see how it is being solved. Remember, we have been told the three major types of support: a roller, a hinge, and a fixed support. All this while we have been looking at combination of roller and hinge support. This particular example is a cantilever with a point load acting at point B. So for a cantilever, it has three reactions acting on it. At point A, we have the vertical reaction, we have the horizontal reaction, and we also have the moment acting on it. So this particular example say we should calculate support reaction. We should also calculate the moment acting on the system, its shear force, and we should also draw their bending moment and shear force diagram. So going back to our solution, we have to draw the free body diagram, FBD. So in that free body diagram, we want to simplify this particular drawing, this particular system for us to understand. So we are now displaying the three reactions: the moment, shear force, and the horizontal force. So this applied load is 3 kilonewton at point B, and at point A is where we have our three reactions. So the span of this cantilever is 3 meters. That's the span for this cantilever. So we say some moment about point A is equal to 0. Some moment about point A is equal to 0. Then if you look at that applied load 3 kilonewton, about point A is moving in clockwise direction. So it will now be positive 3. The perpendicular distance of that point load to point A is 3 meters. So it will now be 3 times 3. You don't have any other point load acting about point A. So 3 times 3, the only thing you now have there is moment. 3 times 3 minus MA is equal to 0. Why MA is minus? Because the direction is moving in anti-clockwise direction. In collect like terms, our MA is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9 kilonewton meter. Our moment at that support is 9 kilonewton meter. So we will now do some moment about point B is equal to 0. At point B, the moment that will be acting is the reaction RA and the moment RA. So RA about point B, the moment will now be RA times 3. RA times 3, which is moving in clockwise direction, minus MA. MA about point B is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So it will be minus MA is equal to 0. So RA times 3 minus MA is equal to 0, where MA is from our calculation is 9 kilonewton. So we substitute our value for MA into the equation. We now have that 3RA is equal to 9, and RA is 9 divided by 3. So our RA is 3 kilonewton. This is the only support reaction acting apart. That's the only vertical support reaction on this system, and we have gotten it to be 3. So these are our support reactions. But next we are going to look at the moment and shear force. See you next time. Let us take note that the span of the cantilever is 3 meters. Let's disregard the 2 meters. The span of this cantilever is 3 meters. Okay, thank you.